To the storm of the century, storm of '93. You can see how high up we have.
35 inches.
Houses we have about 35 inches. That's how far it is snow in behind the garage. Here we are. There's our no visitors, our visitors parking sign. The house. Look at the drifts. Front of our house. There's where our steps and wall are supposed to be. Down the driveway, it should be there. Our flower bed. Steps up to our front porch. The cement doesn't even show. Down all the way across. There's where the wall is supposed to be. And you can see the drifts. That's what I love. Look at that hanging roof off the garage. And our animals should be coming now.
You want your gloves?
Yeah! Rocky! Kelly! Come on!
Come on, Gypsy.
Oh, I don't need Gypsy doing her duty.
Look at Rocky. Instead of making, he's playing.
Can't even crouch in the snow. You see, Gypsy's having a hard time going through the snow.
Come on, Gypsy. Gypsy. Come on, Gypsy.
But the other dogs love it. Yeah, I took a picture of that. Blaze the trail. I'm down a little further. I'll show you more of this. See how high it is above the wall? And look at my poor rose bushes are supposed to be. Looks pretty smooth though there. You couldn't even tell we have a 5-foot wall.
Look how Gypsy made already.
Al wanted me to show you the roof edge close up. How it came out.
Yeah, you just got bright on it.
Al. Trying to play a game and the snow's so deep. Looks like Minnesota. There, Gypsy's telling Rocky to leave me alone.
Rocky. Huh?
I don't know. There's Gypsy. She likes to follow in whoever had stepped ahead of her. Herself a big branch this time.
Buddy, just did two of them.
Oh, Rocky got her. How much deeper Kelly is. Kelly goes for his back leg always. He wants to pick up the stick, but she keeps nipping him. There he's got the little one. Oh, there comes the wind. Here's the yellow garage. It's the drift in front of that. Well, Rocky's gonna go up that one too. The drift's behind the bushes there. That's where the driveway's supposed to be. See, there's the swing tree, there's the driveway, there's our evergreen. Here, Al stood behind it.
Huh?
See the depth? See where Al's standing?
That's how deep I am in snow.
They were just playing in there, but I didn't get it started again in time to take a picture of how deep they were there. So that's our other wall. You can see the drifts running along it too. There they are. The sun trying to peek through. I don't think it's going to make it for a while yet, though, to the hill. I want to clean away a little bit of this before our plowman decides to come and pile more up in front of the garage. And the doghouse is drifting in front of him. Today's a beautiful day. It was 0 around 7:30. Now it's up to 10 degrees. We still haven't gotten plowed out. We did shovel our walk yet, though. I'm going to show you that. Here's our walk. We shoveled down the steps, but as you can see, there's no place to go after that. Those walls are over my waist tall. There's our shrubs. You see only the tips are out. You can see where the snow lays almost up to the windowsills. See, there it is up to the window where it's drifted into the shrubs. Dug this out yesterday afternoon. We were lucky that we didn't have enough wind last night to close it up again. Got one light out on this side. The rest you can actually see at night though as they come through the snow, the light. All of them on this side. Our trees buried. Cabin fever. We've been cleaning all day. You can see Al's taking a break, and look where Kelly is.
You should refinance now. We can save you hundreds of dollars every month.
Heart disease is the #1 killer of American women. In fact, 6 times as many women die from heart disease as from breast
Rocky's playing with the ball.
But most of us still believe that we're not at risk.
Rocky's going to get Kelly interested, and then there's a big
women
prize.
suffer fatal heart attacks.
Where's
Chest pain in women,
the ball
however
went
mild,
underneath
may be a
the
warning sign of
table
heart
there.
disease and should always be taken seriously.
For more information, talk to your doctor or call 1-800-HEART.
Advanced care for women's hearts.
At Charlie's in Boston, breakfast means cranberry pancakes on the griddle. And
They're gonna have it
CBS
right
this
there
morning
if they
with Harry
start
Smith
fighting.
and Paula
She
Shaw
could get him
on
on
set.
top of the neck now.
Around
She's
here,
high.
folks enjoy Mark's weather. Not to
Watch
mention
my
our regular
table.
consumer segments and our frequent reports on your money. So if you're looking for good food and good news, why not join the crowd? Here at Charlie's, they know a good breakfast when they see one. CBS This Morning, breakfast for your head.
Prepare for a television revolution. How did Paula Abdul dance with Gene Kelly concessions 50 years apart? How'd they do that? Find out today.
Isn't that hard on you, Albert?
There she goes.
Looking at the state-of-the-art in cookware, concentric air, my wherever. Natural.
Get this big old truck to do the plowing in a piece.
Going this way? Go straight up and push to the back. I think you're better off running way down again. I don't know. Good. Anyway you do. Okay, I just want to go. Yeah.
Trying to decide how they can do it.
There's the river pipe where we're standing. That's all. Okay. Other than that, you can push it there and there, straight back. Anywhere but in here, huh? Right. You got it.
A little trouble maneuvering, I guess. It's gonna go down the driveway again now.
Then we got next door to do. But you gotta
Facing
make
it
sure the
all
truck
off, make
fits.
sure they knew how they're gonna do it.
What? Oh. You gotta tell them it's a highway truck.
That's Reader's highway truck, or Reader's township truck, I
It's a township truck.
guess. Look at the chains on the tires. Way up there, then you can turn around.
Yeah, he's gonna probably he's gonna try to do, I think.
back up to get some more. You said he knows that there's railroad ties there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, there's no way he can get near it anyway.
So it's not bouncing down. Back up what's up?
Stand over there in the corner.
But you were there, that's why I couldn't. Look at the path he made. Top of the railroad tie there. You see him bounce off? So if you could tell how much he was doing back there. I'm taking this from the front of the house. I was going to clear down the road through the lane. Today's the 16th.
After a hard day's work, the boss rests with his animal kingdom.
All of my moots laying on the floor.
After a hard day's work, you gotta say.
Yes, well you already said that, dear. Yesterday, the 15th, is when the plow was here. I had my calendar off one day. Today's Tuesday, the 16th. I finally went into work today. Just to see how different it is today. How much of the snow got moved and now what had melted down, so you can see the dirt. Here's the tip of the wall. See how deep that snow is? The little opening that was Al made with the tractor to get into the yellow garage. Oh, there's the dogs. Kelly, Rocky. Kelly, Rocky. Rocky. Kelly. They love the snow. And now they can be on top of it. It has a little bit of an ice cap on it, on our driveway. Okay. There's some damage from the storm. We just noticed it yesterday and put a call in. Al fixed the siding outside. A lot of siding was missing. There's the line, and you see there behind the lamp all the way to the wall. I hope this is picking it up pretty good. You can see all of it over there. If I move in on it, yeah, there you can see how the paper has even come up in the middle. That's the end of that. It goes toward the light here, and then toward the window over there. There was siding missing on this end of the house, and then on the back too. Here, this was a little bit smaller strip, but there's a circle too that's wet. Clean up. There was a snowfall again last night.
Make breakfast!
This is where he's been cleaning up. Fresh snow on the bushes and on top of the snow piles here.